GEMMA 3N has just been released as the most powerful on-device AI model yet, and it's a big deal. DeepMind's new alpha genome can predict how mutations in our DNA impact our health, and Google's Gemini CLI now lets you code straight from your terminal using Gemini 2.5 Pro. Meanwhile, Claude is evolving into an app builder within the chat window. Meta has poached top researchers from OpenAI, WhatsApp now offers AI summaries for unread chats, and YouTube is rolling out an AI-powered search carousel and instant video summaries. Let's dive into all of this. AI is moving fast right now. First, GEMMA 3N made the leap from preview to full release on June 26, 2025. The original GEMMA, launched early last year, saw over 160 million downloads and sparked a series of specialized offshoots, ranging from medical triage to content filtering. Version 3N builds on this by revamping the entire framework to function on phones and edge devices. It now processes images, audio, video, and text with a single checkpoint, responding in text. The model supports 140 languages for text and 35 for its multimodal capabilities. Google released the model's weights on Hugging Face and Kaggle, and even set up a one-click deployment feature on AI Studio that allows you to deploy the model straight to Cloud Run. GEMMA 3N comes in two sizes, E2B and E4B. E2B acts like a 2 billion parameter network, but has 5 billion raw parameters under the hood and works with just 2 gigabytes of VRAM. E4B functions like a 4 billion parameter model, yet has 8 billion raw parameters and runs in 3 gigabytes of VRAM. This efficiency comes from Matformer, a transformer architecture that trains a smaller functional model alongside a larger one. With this setup, users can select between speed, with the smaller submodel, or accuracy, with the full model. You can even customize the model size in the new Matformer lab by adjusting the feed-forward width from 8,192 to 16,384 and skipping layers to optimize memory usage for phones or Raspberry Pis. Despite its compact memory footprint, E4B achieved a score of over 1,300 on LM Arena, making it the first model under 10 billion parameters to do so. Thanks to a clever technique called KV cache sharing, the model significantly speeds up long prompt or streaming tasks by reducing the time spent on pre-fill stages. On the audio side, GEMMA 3N uses the universal speech model, producing tokens every 160 milliseconds, or about 6 tokens per second, making it efficient in speech-to-text and spoken language translation between languages like English, Spanish, French, Italian, and Portuguese. The Vision branch is powered by MobileNet V5300M, processing images at up to 768 pixels and running 13 times faster than the previous Sovit baseline. This new version is also optimized for vision and language tasks. With a drastically smaller memory footprint and better performance, major tools like Hugging Face transformers, Llama.cpp, Google AI Edge, and more support. GEMMA 3N from day one. Google also launched a $150,000 GEMMA 3N Impact Challenge, encouraging developers to create multimodal demos with a social benefit. On to DeepMind's latest, Alpha Genome, which launched just a day earlier. This model is a game changer for wet lab researchers, allowing them to predict how a single mutation in the human genome can impact gene expression and disease susceptibility. Think of it as AlphaFold, but for DNA. It processes vast datasets of genome information and helps researchers quickly identify how specific mutations affect health. Alpha Genome is free for non-commercial use, with commercial licenses coming soon. It's already helping researchers speed up genome analysis significantly, reducing time from weeks to hours. This could revolutionize research on rare diseases and personalized medicine. Meanwhile, software engineers got their hands on Gemini CLI, released alongside GEMMA 3N. This tool lets you run Gemini 2.5 Pro's reasoning model straight from your terminal. You can prompt the model to help with coding tasks, config files, or research notes. It supports 60 requests per minute and 1,000 per day, and the repo is open-sourced under Apache 2.0. This tool integrates with Gemini Code Assist, so all your terminal and VS Code activities stay in sync. Anthropic is also stepping up its game with Claude, now evolving from a friendly chatbot to an app-building machine. The latest beta lets Claude write, compile, and serve interactive apps directly within the chat. Early testers have already created AI-powered flashcard generators, trivia games, dashboards, and agent workflows. This feature works across all Claude plans, Free, Pro, and Max, and because app traffic is charged to the viewer's quota, not the creators, Anthropic encourages people to share their creations. In corporate news, Meta has been busy. The company recently poached researchers from OpenAI Zurich, offering them impressive compensation packages to join Meta's AI team. This move aims to accelerate the development of Meta's next Llama release and strengthen its AI-powered reasoning tools. Meta has also announced a new WhatsApp feature, which summarizes unread messages. This AI-driven summary helps you quickly understand the urgency of your chats without scrolling through each one. Meta's AI team has focused on ensuring privacy, with the processing happening within a secure, encrypted layer that prevents Meta from accessing the content. Meanwhile, YouTube is introducing a generative AI feature that will provide a carousel of highlights within search results on mobile. This AI-powered carousel surfaces the most relevant moments from a video based on your search query, saving you time and frustration. Plus, a new Ask button will allow users to request instant video summaries or ask follow-up questions, blending information from the video and the broader web. As AI continues to evolve, it's clear that these innovations are transforming how we interact with technology. What do you think about Meta's strategy of poaching OpenAI researchers and the increased focus on monetization across platforms? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.